the hottest day of the year. Hi guys, I am in London. I am walking to the Regent's Park today. We've been very lucky this year. It's been really hot in London. I know some people are complaining about these heat waves, but for me, these are the best days ever because it actually feels like a real summer in London since, I don't know, like the last 10 years I've been here. So yeah, I love enjoying the park during the evening when the weather slightly cools down, but you know, you still have the nice sunshine. So I thought I could take you today with me to Regent's Park and we can do some exercise because we gotta stay fit. And I also have my book with me, so you know, we can just relax, read a book and enjoy the sunshine. How's the weather been this summer for you guys? For Londoners, it's been the hottest summer ever. I think that's the same case for most of Europe actually. It is the hottest day of the summer today. It's around 36 degrees and honestly, people are melting. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I'm melting as well. As I said, I'm not complaining about the heat wave, but yes, from time to time, it gets really hot. The real problem in London is, you know, we don't really have air conditioning in the flats in the buildings here. But besides that, when you're out and about, it's actually cooler. So that's another reason why I'm going to the park. The park is actually more enjoyable than being indoors in the heat. So we're walking in the outer circle of Regent's Park now, and I told you that I have a book with me today. This book is The 101 Dalmatians. I'm sure most of you have seen the movie or even read the book in the past. And the reason I wanted to bring this book with me today is because the story actually takes place here. So the story with the Dalmatians, with Mr. and Mrs. Dearly and Cruella de Vil actually takes place here. So it's such an amazing feeling to be able to visualize while you're reading where the story actually takes place. All the buildings around here looks incredible, and I want to show you a couple of buildings behind me that kind of gives you the vibe that is captured within this book. So here we are in Regent's Park. This park used to be a forest and then it was turned into a royal hunting ground, and in the 1800s they turned it into the park it is today. And isn't it incredible that still today you can come and enjoy this open space? So it's like open to public and open to all Londoners. This specific area we're in at the moment is called English Gardens, and they change the flowers here seasonally. So any season you come, you might see, like, you know, different colors, different flowers here. And I see that most of the flowers at the moment... Oh, here's a squirrel! So I'm a little bit surprised that we are actually able to see nice flowers this season because, as we said, it's been really, really hot. And most of the parks have gone super dry in London, but these flowers are hanging on to their lives. At this very location we're walking at the moment, a few years ago, I was walking and I suddenly, I don't know, it was like an intuition or like a reflex. I felt like I had to stop, so I stopped myself and then I looked on the ground and there was a giant snake just like going in front of me. And I couldn't believe my eyes because it's like heart of London, guys. Like, I was like, do snakes exist in London? Stories say that these snakes have escaped like back in the day from somewhere nearby and made Regent's Park their home. They're not venomous and they're not attacking humans, thankfully. So just mind your step when you're walking and you'll be fine. Now we're heading into Queen Elizabeth Garden. So this is a new part of Regent's Park. They've recently redone this area and dedicated it to Queen Elizabeth II. I really like what they've done here. It is very calm. It is like an oasis in the middle of the park. Okay. It is officially hot. I'm glad we stopped and got a bottle of water before we started the walk because it is really hot and it makes you thirsty. I think everyone's attacking the waters in supermarkets, like we couldn't find any other brand, so I had to grab this one, guys. This is a nice place to enjoy the book a little bit, so I'm gonna take maybe like a few minutes to just relax and read my book. Okay, you know what time it is now, guys? I think we need to exercise, so let's go for a little run. So I'm all warmed up and ready to run. So how about I race you to the Camels? You heard that right. We're gonna go and probably see camels, guys, because London Zoo is in the Regent's Park, and if you're lucky, you may be able to see some animals. So let me race you there. Let's go. We're almost there. Come on, follow me. Yes, we made it. We're next to the camels, guys. Can you see them? They're behind this fence. So we finished our exercise. We are on the Primrose Hill Bridge, heading to Primrose Hill, which is another park and also a really nice neighborhood. And behind me you can see the Regent's Canal. Primrose Hill is one of my favorite neighborhoods. It has a really nice, cute high street with nice cafes and shops, and there are a lot of nice houses and mansions around as well. I got a little thirsty, so I'm craving for orange juice, and here we can make our own fresh orange juice, so let's get a bottle. Our orange juice is ready. Got our oranges. Very sweet, very good. Perfect after a nice workout. Thanks for joining me on the hottest day of the year. London is incredible when it's sunny, and I love the long days, the summer, so hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. Hope you enjoyed it too, and see you in the next video.